Here I've got REALME C11 and let me show you how to turn on or off screenshot sound. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then. Now find and select sound and vibration. Scroll down and under system feedback you will notice screenshot sound. So as you can see now it has no sound, but then if you will click here to activate screenshot sound. Okay, so I think the phone is muted, but let me turn the voice on and now you will be able to hear the sound of screenshot. As you can hear, it works. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.